So today we are going to look at how to make a cartoon image using AI. So the first thing you need to do is to go to bing.com/create. If you have not created an account with them, ensure that you create an account. And then the next thing you need to do is to log in. If you've logged in, for me, I've created an account. I do not need to create any more accounts. It's already saved in the system. So the first thing you need to do is to tell it the kind of image you want it to generate. So if we look at my previous images here, I don't know what are my previous images. If I look at the history, my system is giving me issues. Okay, I'll come back to the history when I do that, when I create a new one. So the first thing you need to do is to define the type of image you want. For instance, I'll say funny image of an ebony black, ebony brown, young lady. You can stop there. Funny image of an ebony brown young lady. So I will not stop at just funny image. I'll say funny cartoon image of an ebony black, ebony brown young lady. So if I want text, I'll say with text written, I put my quotes. Have you subscribed to my channel? So that's it. Have you subscribed to my channel? Funny cartoon image of an ebony brown lady with text written, have you subscribed to my channel? So let's see what we are going to get from there. Yeah, if you look at my recent, I'll go over to the previous one. So you can see, have you subscribed to my channel? So you can see something like this. See, have you subscribed to my channel? It looks nice, but the spellings are not properly spelled. Let's see the next one. Have you subscribed to my channel? Wonderful. See the next one. Have you subscribed to my channel? The image looks nice, but it's not spelled correctly. So you can repeat the process until you get the right one. So this is it right here. You can choose any of them here, but for now, I think this is the best. I'll click on it and download. I can use it for any other thing I want. So let's go over to the previous one that I used here and see what I've got here. Let's go over it. Where is it? All right, that's not it. That's not it. Just a moment, please, for me to find it. All right, this is it. So see the other one. Have you subscribed to my channel? So you can see here, I use simple cartoon image of an African girl beckoning people to subscribe to her YouTube channel with text written, have you subscribed to my channel? You can either use this or use another one. So you just put it cartoon image. That's the key word, and try to be descriptive enough. I hope this helped. See you in another video.